There is only two principles of wealth building. Keep investing till you earn. Stop investing when you stop earning.
Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. This is Chief Engineer Praneet Mehta. Welcome to my YouTube channel Merchant Navy Decoded. मेरे साथ है राजीव कौशिक सर और आज हम एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात करने वाले हैं. हम रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग की बात कर चुके हैं, हम इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात कर चुके हैं. बट सर आज जो मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछने जा रहा हूँ दैट इज़ कि हमें व्हाट ऑल फैक्टर्स डू वी हैव टू रिमेंबर व्हेन वी स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग.
हाँ, सो नाउ फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो ऑनवर्ड्स एक्चुअली वी आर कमिंग ऑन टू ब्रास टैक्स कि हमें करना क्या है. बात हो गई है फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस की जो जा रही है रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग की तरफ. बट फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस में हमें क्या करना है, कहाँ से करना है और कब से शुरू करना है. तो एक वीडियो में हम कह भी चुके हैं कि मोमेंट यू गो एज फर्स्ट टाइम एज ऑफिसर फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट सैलरी यू शुड स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग.
राइट सर.
तो इसके कुछ एलिमेंट्स होने चाहिए. एलिमेंट्स मान लें या एक रेजोल्यूशन मान लें कि हमें ये करना है. तो सबसे पहला रेजोल्यूशन है कि जितना जल्दी हम होगा हम अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट शुरू करेंगे.
So number one is that we'll start investing ASAP.
ASAP after your first salary. Before going on board as a first time as an officer, you should have opened your NRE account, NRO account. If possible, you should have started your borrow 5,000 rupees from your parents through your NRO account. Start the process of investment. Now, second thing is, in the investment process, I always advise the seafarers that you should have about minimum and maximum of 5 funds. One fund should be connected with your NRO account. 4 funds should be from your NRE account. Why one fund from NRO? So that any income, any gift which you get from your parents or anybody else, hopefully you should get, that can only be deposited in your NRO account.
Okay, sir.
Whether cash or by check or by money transfer. Nobody can deposit it in your NRE account unless this income is coming from outside the country. So most of the money will be coming from outside the country, that should be from NRE. Now second thing is when you start investing, we assume that you have selected the correct funds, which we will advise people also, but largely we will tell them a process how they can select on their own. Second thing is that when they invest, the first name should always be of theirs. Second applicant can be the wife, and there should always be a nominee that can be a child. If there is no child, you can put nominee as one of your parents. If a officer is not married, third officer or fourth year shuru karega, maybe he is not married. In that case, he can keep the second applicant or the nominee as the parent. This is very important because a lot of people start investing and they forget about this and something happens, then the nominees find it difficult to get the money. So, important thing is that we know that we will start earning. From that time, we take a resolution that part of this earning we will invest monthly. It is very important that this process of investment takes place every week, every month, round the year for as long as possible. There is only two principles of wealth building. Keep investing till you earn. Stop investing when you stop earning. And after you stop earning, start withdrawing money as you require. It is very simple. There is no complication in this. And the basic element which we will start is our mutual funds. We will discuss how many types of mutual funds are there. Are NRIs allowed to invest in those mutual funds? Yes, they are allowed. There are mutual funds which are sold directly by the companies or through distributors. The same funds can be sold also by aggregators like Zerodha, like Grow and all that. So we will discuss why we should go through one system and not the other system. We will also discuss why are these safe. Let me tell you that the Indian mutual fund industry is one of the most heavily regulated industries in the world. So we want through you that all the youngsters and all the people who are on their way upwards should continuously start investing, and they will find, like I promised you in the previous video, they will not get a calculator in which all those figures can be contained. You don't have to do anything. You only have to be determined that I will save and I will invest. I will save and I will invest. How much you invest, that you should select very judiciously.
So guys, this is it from our end. I hope this video has been long enough, but not a boring one and a learning one. Thank you very much. Jai Mata Di.